Put it down! Put it down! Shots fired, subject's down.
This Brinks guard returns to her truck, pushing a cart loaded with money she'd just picked up at a bank. Moments after she opens the rear door, 3 armed masked men jump out of an SUV and force her to her knees. Here it is from another surveillance camera. Can you imagine the terror that the guard, who was there alone, must be feeling? As one gunman keeps his weapon aimed at her and tries to take her pistol, the other 2 bad guys rifle through the Brinks truck and help themselves to over $100,000 in cash. Then the men take off. The guard is left stunned.